This is a video web briefing for the excessive hot temperatures forecast for the upcoming weekend of June 28th through July 1st, along with heat safety information from the National Weather Service office in Phoenix, Arizona. This video briefing was put together today, June 25th, 2013. Forecast information in this briefing should only be referenced until Wednesday, June 26th, 2013. The forecast. The image on the right side of this slide shows a large ridge of high pressure positioned over the Four Corners region and extending across much of the western U.S. A surface temperature image is also shown with the highest temperatures forecast in the red and white areas for Friday afternoon. Ridging is very common during the summer months and is the feature that helps bring monsoon moisture to the desert Southwest. This particular weather situation will not bring in any moisture and will be very strong with non-typical heat for the Southwest deserts, including Phoenix. This type of event is rare, a 1 in 10-year event. The impacts. Temperatures will begin to climb starting Wednesday and continue through the weekend. With this type of excessive heat, afternoon temperatures will be dangerously hot by the end of the week and into the weekend. Overnight low temperatures will also be warm, not providing much relief overnight. Temperatures are expected to be above 115 degrees each afternoon, making this the warmest temperatures so far this year. For Southeast California and Southwest Arizona, several days at or near 110 degrees are common during the summer months. However, periods of temperatures at or above the 115-degree mark for several days or more are more rare, on the order of every 10 years of occurrence. Here at National Weather Service Phoenix, our excessive heat products consist of watches or warnings. During the typical hot summer months, May 1st through September 30th, we issue these products. A watch is issued when conditions are favorable for an excessive heat event in the next 12 to 48 hours. In cases of very high confidence, like this weekend, they may be issued earlier. A watch provides enough lead time so those who need to prepare can do so, such as cities who have excessive heat event mitigation plans. A warning is issued when an excessive heat event is expected in the next 36 hours. These products are issued when an excessive heat event is occurring, is imminent, or has a very high probability of occurring. The warning is issued for conditions posing a threat to life or property. An advisory is for less serious conditions that cause significant discomfort or inconvenience, and, if caution is not taken, could lead to a threat of life and/or property. Heat safety is a very big concern across the United States, as well as here in Arizona. Heat is the #1 weather-related killer across the U.S. and in Arizona, more than all of the other weather hazards combined. Heat illness is a very big concern and should be taken seriously. Some symptoms of heat-related illness include heavy sweating, weakness, cold, clammy, or pale skin, fast or weak pulse, and fainting. This weekend's excessive heat event should be taken very serious, as this type of event not only affects people prone to heat-related illness, but even healthy people. That means it will be dangerous to be outside even if you regularly do activities outdoors such as hiking, golfing, or walking the dog. The website listed at the bottom of this page will provide more information on the City of Phoenix hydration station locations. Please take the time to check this out and spread the word. How to be prepared for heat. Some suggestions and tips to keep in mind and remind others. Avoid activities during the hottest part of the day by trying to schedule and complete errands in the morning hours or after sunset. Take plenty of breaks. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Make sure to drink plenty of water and non-alcoholic, non-caffeinated beverages. Cool off in a well-ventilated locations, out of the sun. Wear light-colored clothing while outdoors. Always safety in numbers. Work in pairs and keep an eye on a friend or a coworker. Avoid leaving children and pets unattended in vehicles, and also avoid leaving pets outdoors during the daytime. Check on neighbors and friends who may be older and more reluctant to use air conditioning. Thank you for viewing this web briefing about the upcoming excessive heat event. Please stay connected with us. Any of our latest products and forecasts can be found on our website at www.weather.gov/Phoenix. Also, follow us on Twitter at NWS Phoenix and on Facebook, U.S. National Weather Service Phoenix, and also on YouTube for updates to our forecast or a new video web briefing.